it's going to go smooth tomorrow. I think Saturday's the big day. So it's actually, I think tomorrow will be an easy, kind of gradual build, and Saturday's going to be the big day.
So it took us about 2 hours to get the site prepared for today's event at the Outdoor Adventure Show, but I believe we are ready for the introduction of the amazing wilderness camp chair and the amazing wilderness camp cot to the Canadian public here in Toronto. I am very excited to see how this goes. So, are you ready? We're going to try and bring you as much of the excitement as we possibly can. And here we are at our booth. All right, guys, what do you think? Are we ready?
Ready or not, here we go. I think we're ready.
I think we're ready.
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, this chair is no longer available. Sorry. I'm sorry to disappoint you. I know you all came down here, you know, to see the comfy chair, but unfortunately, no more. Mine now.
So we're getting a little busier now here on Saturday at the Outdoor Adventure Show. Lots and lots of activity.
Cool. Good. EconoChallenge.
Question, what do you think this is used for? Especially when I'm at camp, when I've led over 4,000 teenagers in the wilderness on survival camps.
Feeding them?
No, this is for storing the big jumbo hot chocolate pot and back scratching.
Okay, folks, we're coming to the end of the Outdoor Adventure Show here in Toronto. We've had an amazing time. We thank you for watching us on the EconoChallenge channel. I look forward to seeing you in the comments down below. Bye for now.